Hey, mathematicians, it's me. It's me? It's me. You already know who it is. But let's go. Write in the comments the names of quadrilaterals that's not a square or a rectangle. No square. Oh my god. Last week we did areas, this week we did perimeters. Let's go. Hey, mathematicians, it's T here, your YouTube math tutor. I hope everyone's had a good week. Everyone had a good half term. And now we back. We back and better. Well done to those who spotted last week's quote. Well done. Can you imagine? February's done. Like, what? Let me see. Can you imagine? It felt like the other day that I was making my New Year's resolution. I hope everyone's keeping up with their New Year's resolutions. If you are, let me know. And remember, if you fail a little bit, like what I did, it's okay as long as you stay consistent for it. This week's topic is perimeters of quadrilaterals. Last week we did areas, this week we're doing perimeters. Let me know if you know what a quadrilateral is. I will say it later on in the video, but let me know in the comments. You only really need to know how to add. So, column method, yeah. And that's really it. So with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright, so before we start looking at perimeters of quadrilaterals, firstly, we need to know what the perimeter is. The perimeter is the distance of the outside of a shape, or the total length of the outside of a shape. Any 2D shape, even a circle. If you know what the perimeter of a circle is called, let me know in the comments below. A quadrilateral is any four-sided shape. So you have square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and then you have like random looking shapes too. As long as it's got four sides, it's a quadrilateral. Alright, so let's just get into perimeters of quadrilaterals then. Let's go. Here are some examples of finding perimeters of quadrilateral questions. All of these shapes have four sides. Even that funky looking shape that I made in the middle, that has four sides as well. Yeah. So the first shape is a parallelogram and all the sides are labeled, so we're literally going to add them all up. So the perimeter P of this parallelogram is equal to 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8. Yeah? 3 plus 8 is 11 plus another 3 plus 8, which is 11. 11 plus 11 is 22 meters. Yeah? Not meters squared like last week, because we haven't times any units together. Yeah? We didn't do 3 times 8. We did 3 add 8. Let's look at my funky shape, which looks like a lopsided arrow, but same rules apply. So we're going to add 13 plus 9 plus 21 plus 34. We have 4 numbers here, means we know we've added all the lengths in, and now we're just going to add them up. Remember, you can add them using column method if you don't have a calculator. 13 plus 9 plus 21 plus 34 is 77. And we have centimeters, no squared. Alright, let's look at the last one then. The last one is a square, yeah? So we're looking at the perimeter of a square. I've only given you one length. And why? Because all four sides on a square are equal. So technically, we've got 62 millimeters here, 62 millimeters here, and 62 millimeters here. We can write 62, add 62, add 62, add 62. But that's kind of long, but it isn't wrong. Another way of saying 62, add 62, add 62, add 62 is 4 times 62, which is equal to 248 millimeters. Okay, so now you're probably thinking, we times 4 and 62 together. Why isn't it not millimeters squared? But we didn't times 2 lengths together. We just grouped our numbers, yeah? This is why it's not millimeters squared. It's just millimeters. So yeah, here's some examples for you to try. Feel free to write down the name of each of these quadrilaterals below and find the perimeters of them. Pause the video and then resume the video when you're ready for the answers. Alright, welcome back. Let's get straight into it. So the first one is a rectangle. And to find the perimeter, we are going to add all the sides together. So we've got 14 plus 14, which is the opposite side, plus 5 plus 5, which is also the opposite side. This is equal to 38. So our perimeter is 38 centimeters. Remember, no squared because we didn't times anything out. Alright, the next one is a parallelogram, and we're going to add up the sides. So we've got 25, add 6, add 25, add 6, which is also equal to 62. So the second one is 62 meters. The last one is a trapezium. So well done if you got that right. And let's find the perimeter. So we're going to do 13 plus 28 plus 14 plus 11. And that is equal to 66 centimeters. And there we go. So that was perimeters of quadrilaterals. If you found anything useful in this video, please give me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya!